Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone Journal app. The iPhone Journal app is designed to help you record thoughts, experiences, and memories in a simple and organized way. It can even suggest moments based on your activity like photos, locations, and workarounds. Once set up, it becomes a personal space for daily reflection and writing. To begin, unlock your iPhone and locate the Journal app on your home screen. Open the Journal app and tap New Entry or the plus button to start your first journal note. Add a title to organize your entry. Add your preferred theme color. You can also choose from the icons below. Now tap on the newly created journal. Tap the plus button again. Type your thoughts in the writing area. Then tap the camera or photos icon to add photos, videos, or audio. Use location tagging if you want to remember where it happened. Save your entry by tapping Done, Checkmark, or Save. Now, browse previous entries from the main timeline view. Edit any entry by tapping the three dots on it and selecting Edit Options. Continue writing regularly to build a personal journal history over time. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.